Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So we're back here at the office, and we got some rail fanning we're going to do right here by the truck. I would go up a little bit farther, but I'm kind of enjoying the AC right now. Look at that beautiful locomotive coming into the screen. These guys are really nice, not progressive rail. Yeah, they're taking that over to one of our other yards, storage yards, those telephone poles. That's just a few of their locomotives they have. I've been told they got a steam engine, but I have not ever seen it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that one. I have. That's the first train I've seen today. I think they're running behind. But as always, keep the shiny side up, rubber down. See you on the next video. Y'all take it easy.